pictures. Just a moment to tell you that Prime Minister Modi has tweeted his condolences as well, and I want to just break that text for you on the screen. Sushant Singh Rajput, a bright young actor, gone too soon. He excelled on TV and in films. His rise in the world of entertainment inspired many, and he leaves behind several memorable performances. Shocked by his passing away, my thoughts are with his family and fans. Om Shanti. A tweet by Prime Minister Modi 2 minutes ago expressing condolences for the deceased actor. You saw those pictures just now. Young Sushant Singh Rajput's body has just been removed from his residence and taken to a hospital for formalities, for the post-mortem. The police has ruled out any foul play. It appears that he did take his own life after locking himself in one of the rooms in his residence. And Prime Minister Modi saying his rise in the world of entertainment inspired many, and he leaves behind several memorable performances. Shocked by his passing away, my thoughts are with his family and his fans. Many reactions have been coming in from stars, actors, people who've worked with him both in serials as well as in films, and we will continue to bring you those voices here on India Today as we cover this extremely tragic death. Gone too soon has a new meaning. He was only 34 years old. He had made the transition from serials to movies. He'd excelled in movies, was known to be someone who shunned too much of the spotlight when it wasn't just about promoting his films and being on the silver screen. He was a private person and tragically now known to have been suffering from acute depression. Was that the reason why he took his own life? The police will, of course, conduct all due diligence and investigate the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. Reactions coming in from outside his residence. Okay, so journalists trying to get a word in from the police. I can tell you that India Today will report this story extremely sensitively. We will not be bothering the family. We will be looking for an official word from the Mumbai police as well. Tanushri continues to be with us from outside Sushant Rajput's home in Bandra. Tanushri, we could see some journalists there trying to get in a word from the police. Has there been any unofficial information that's come out from the Mumbai police so far?
Well, as far as the investigation goes, the Mumbai police has so far told us that no suicide note or no letter has been found inside from his residence. But yes, just a short while ago, the police has taken out few medicines and pills from inside his residence is what the police official on the ground told us. And as you can see, this was just at the back. Shiv was his residence, Sushant Singh Rajput's residence, and as of now, Mumbai police is also quite tight-lipped, but something they are telling us is that no foul play has been found in his death as of now, though they are investigating this high-profile case. But as of now, they do not suspect any sort of foul play. They are quite convinced that Sushant Singh Rajput died by suicide. He took his own life, and as you can see, friends and relatives are coming out from inside his residence. A short while ago, his body was taken to a hospital in Mumbai. Now, the Mumbai police is investigating, and this was the residence where he allegedly committed suicide. Sir, sir, आपसे बात कर सकती हूँ 2 मिनट में? सर जी, आपसे बात हो पाएगी 2 मिनट? आपसे बात हो पाएगी? पीछे साइड में रहते थे कि सामने वाले में रहते थे? पीछे में रहते थे. बाइक ये किस उनका ही ना? बाइक ये किसका था? उन्हीं का था? उन्हीं का बाइक था. तो अकेले ही थे घर पे फिर? कल अकेले ही थे सर? अच्छा, कोई आया गया ऐसी बात नहीं है. आप लोगों से मिले? कुछ बोला आप लोगों से? कुछ नहीं मिले आप लोगों से? ठीक है, लॉकडाउन का जो दिन था ठीक से मिल रहे थे, प्रॉपरली खा रहे थे, आते जाते थे, बाहर आते जाते थे, बाहर आते नहीं जाते थे. So this the guard is just telling us, Shiv, that this the bike which is standing here right now belongs to Sushant Singh Rajput, and the police is The police with the forensics team is inside. You can see Cops are continuously coming out and going inside as they are taking things out from his bedroom. But yes, as of now, the Mumbai police is tight-lipped, but the only thing that they have told us is that no suicide letter has been found, but they are pretty convinced that it's a suicide, as they do not suspect any sort of foul play. Sir, anything आप कुछ share कर सकते हैं? So yes, the police is being quite tight-lipped, Shiv, right now. As you were rightly saying, it's a very sensitive case, and perhaps something the city was already going through a lot, and now such a sad and a shocking news has just broken the hearts of many, and people are right now trying to basically be sensitive and not gather gather outside Sushant Singh Rajput's residence here in Bandra. His body is also being taken out, and residence just at the back of this building belonged to him, is what we have been told. And now you can see cars are continuously passing from this area. These are friends, relatives and fans who perhaps wanted to maybe check on him, or, just go inside. Ma'am, so already friends and relatives are inside, Shiv, you can see here. Many people are coming now and going inside the residence. Perhaps the maid is still inside, we have been told, and she is the person who informed the police, Shiv. This is a piece of information being shared with us by Mumbai police, that the maid was the first one who discovered that Sushant Singh Rajput was, for some reason, wasn't opening his door, the bedroom door. That is when she called the friends. When the friends came, they forced open the door, and that is when they broke open the door, that is when they found Sushant Singh Rajput hanging to the roof. And something absolutely shocking and heartbreaking. Sir, आपसे बात कर सकते हैं sir, एक second? एक minute. So this is the situation, Shiv, right now, that fans are also outside, and given the corona situation in hand, people are trying to maintain social distance. But this news has sent shockwaves across the fraternity, and people are it's still sinking in that such a flourishing actor and a young actor like Sushant Singh Rajput, who has just recently done a movie for which he was appreciated across the fraternities, MS Dhoni, and such a flourishing actor would end his life in a way like he did, is something people did not imagine it to be. And it's still sinking in with many that Sushant Singh Rajput, and who was just 34 years old, Shiv, that's way too young, and he's gone too soon. And I think that's the void he has left in many people's life.
And the strands of his loneliness. I want to be extremely sensitive while we analyze this information coming in, because this is a very, very emotional breaking story, Tanushree, and I'll keep coming back to you because we're going to get more information. We're going to speak to psychiatrists as well. This is an extremely sensitive topic: mental health, loneliness, the crippling loneliness, of the lockdown, of Sushant Singh Rajput, who was apparently already suffering from loneliness. There's a lot of grief that's been coming in from people in Bollywood, but there is information to suggest that he was Sushant Singh Rajput may have been out in the cold. Maybe he wasn't getting roles. He had achieved a great deal of superstardom and then a great deal of isolation as well. It could be a combination of many things. I'm not an expert. We will leave it for the experts to actually tell us what may or may not have happened. What we can categorically confirm is that this young star, very, very talented by all accounts, who had won hearts all across the country, was just 34 years old. He'd made the transition from TV serials to films, a difficult jump to make by any stretch. He'd acted in the very, very popular, memorable films, including Kai Po Che, and then achieved that truly career-making role of MS Dhoni in the blockbuster biopic MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, making him a household name across India and indeed for Indians all across the world. Sushant Singh Rajput was never really a Bollywood insider. He was always a bit of an outsider, but he did always try to fit in. He lived his own life, never really the typical Bollywood life. Lots of reactions continuing to come in. We will bring you all of Sushant Singh Rajput's friends, loved ones, well-wishers here on India Today. They'll have a voice on our platform as we sensitively cover this extremely...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.